high income skills that you can learn right now and start making money, money making venture. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back again today. I hope you are all doing well and you are doing great. I hope you are keeping safe. It is so important for you to keep safe. Please let's stay safe, wherever we are. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, that if you've not seen this face before, yes, where we talk about everything money, how to save money, how to make money. And I think we run the town of Kitchener-Waterloo here in Ontario, Canada, so you to see how this part of the world where I live is. So if you have any video requests about Canada, put it in the comment section. And to all my existing subscribers, my new subscribers, thank you for rocking with me on this channel. So let's go right into today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 high income skills that you can learn right now and start making money, money making venture. These are things you can learn right now and start making money, and they are in high demand. So sit down and enjoy this video. As we all know that now, like never before, digital marketing is booming because of course the era of virtual learning, doing everything virtually, has really beamed the spotlight on digital marketing. Major things I will be talking about in today's video is all about digital marketing, content marketing, skill that you can learn right now and start making money from. As in, you don't have to be certified for you to start earning money. Number one is copywriting. Be able to write a compelling sales story that will convert immediately. You're in for big money, because right now business owners are looking for people that can give them sales copy, down something that will make that will make people bring out their money and buy their product or pay for their services. And this is a skill that you can learn and start making money from. You don't have to be certified before you start making money from this copywriting skill. So number one is copywriting, and number two on my list today is graphic designing. You need to be good at graphics before you can give out a flyer that conveys the right message. But this is something you can learn and start making money. Help people with their flyers, help people with their logo designing, them with their marketing materials, just design something catchy. Number three on my list is web designing. Yes, like I said, it's all about digital marketing. So if you're a good web designer, so many people want websites these days, and this is a skill that you can learn and start making money immediately. And as you're learning, be practicing. So many people think, oh, I have to be certified before I can do some things. No, if you go on Fiverr now, you see the services that people render on Fiverr. I'll definitely be doing a short video where I'll show you what people do on Fiverr, and you would be so blown away. Web designing these days, you really don't need so much of coding, because most of the website builders that we have are pick and drop. Like if you do a Wix, if you do Shopify, so just devote some time to learn and have it in your mind that you want to make a business out of this. And of course, the sky is your starting point. Number 4 on my list today is coding. People now need app builders, and you know that for you to build applications, you need some code. This is an high income skill that you can learn and start making money from right away. Number 5 on my list today is funnel building. Funnel building is what you can look into, because right now sales funnel builder is on high demand. People need someone that could help them build their sales funnels. I know sales funnel, it's used for so many things. It's used for lead generation, it's used for sales, it's used for marketing and advertising. Through a funnel, you can build your email list. So these are digital skills that are bringing in big income now. So these are things you can look into. Learning this does not take a lot of time. One thing is, you need to be devoted. You need to pick one, not just because they've said this one is bringing in money, so you want to do all the 5. No, just look at these 5 that I've listed, and of course do your own research. In my previous video, if you've not seen that video, I'll leave a link to that video up here, where I talked about 10 businesses that you can do right now that is bringing in more money. These skills in that video too are things that you can learn and start making money. You don't have to be a pro. It's just the basic learning that you need for some of these skills, but they are high income skills, and you build your expertise as you grow on it. Let me share these tips as you go learning or making your research for these skills. There are some free online classes for some of these skills. You could go on Udemy, Skillshare, Hubspot. Okay, so these are places that you can look to for your learning. Google Garage is another place that you can learn, and it's entirely free. Google Garage is free and it's loaded. And as you're learning, you can post your profile on Fiverr, Upwork, you know, just for something to start with. And you can even help your friends and just ask them for a token and get going with their own website or graphic design, you know, design their logo, design their flyer. Another platform that I can recommend for you to go through apprenticeship is Acadium. I know I did a video sometimes ago where I told you that I did a 3-month apprenticeship on digital marketing on Acadium. Acadium is a platform where you can kickstart your digital career, your digital marketing career. You'll be on 3-month apprenticeship with real businesses that are ready to put you through, because they know that you're an apprentice. They show you everything. Like I did mine and it was a very good experience for me. If you know of any other platform that is similar to Acadium, please put it in the comment section. And if you've had any experience with Acadium as well, please chat with me in the comment section. Let me know what your experience is like. Did you do the 3-month apprenticeship, or are you a mentor on Acadium? Let's chat in the comment section. So you know what, these skills are in high demand now. I can tell you as a matter of fact that learning these skills does not take so much time, and landing your first paid gig is the effort you need to put in. Yeah, just devote some time to learn and practice as you learn. You know, don't just acquire all the knowledge without practicing. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these high income skills? And if you have any more high income skills that I've not mentioned, but I just know these 5 are thriving right now, put it in the comment section as well. Let us chat in the comment section. And if you are not with me on Instagram, why are you not following me on Instagram? I get to post some interesting things on my stories, on my feed, on my reels. Yes, I'm also active on Instagram. I have 2 Instagram pages, so come, let's continue the party out of YouTube. Yeah, and please ask any questions, whatever it is that you want to know about Canada, just send me a DM. But I'm not an immigration expert. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section, what more do you want to see on this channel? Just in the comment section. If you are coming across my video for the first time on this channel, I make videos about how to make money, how to save money, and I take you around my business journey. So take you around the town of Kitchener-Waterloo here in Ontario, Canada, so you to know how this part of the world where I live is, as in what it looks like, and you know, something interesting. If you've not subscribed, then I think you should subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah, it is at this junction that you need to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Yeah, and put on your notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you always come back to watch my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, to all my new subscribers, thank you for rocking along with me on this channel. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now. Please stay safe. And I'm sure you want to see this video talking about business ideas that you can start right now, and there will be a playlist down there as well.